All right, it's Thursday, March 6th, just following up on Microsoft. I bought it here at the at this blue line, breaking out above bar 1 and 2. It's now following through nicely higher above 400. So I just scaled out to set up an ORS trade. I bought the stock, Microsoft 398.21. I just scaled out at 420. So that's 2 points higher. It lowers my break-even stop down to, about the midpoint of the first bar, as I always like to do. That's kind of a point where the intraday structure would fail. It's heading higher here towards, the high of yesterday. That's kind of what I'm anticipating to start. After that big green bar, you kind of expect that high to be tested if opening price action kind of aligns with that. In this case, we kind of gap down a little bit, which is always good on a green bar. And then if buying immediately comes in with the good first bar, breakout and above the, in some cases above the pre-market highs. In other cases, we're working towards the pre-market highs. But good price action here to kind of follow from yesterday and test that high. At that point, we'll see what happens. We had broadening action. These two bars were a compound broadening of this red bar. So if we follow through from there and don't want to reverse to the downside, then we're heading back up to this bar here, about 408, 410. And the weekly chart with the 2 days to go as we get closer and closer to the end of the week is looking more and more like a reversal bar, which could lead to a 2-up week into next week and get this stock going, again, up to the 410 and even maybe the 420 area. So things are looking good for Microsoft. It's all at no risk right now. That's some of the context, and we'll see if it hits the first target highs of yesterday, and then there's a lot of upside action that could potentially unfold from there.